So this is your girl Jaya. This is actually an assignment that I have going on in my effective communications class. So today our topic is simply, I would probably say, for the college students, for the intern students, or basically for the students who are, I probably say, working without pay. Because I mean, technically, if you think about it, that's what we do anyway. So let's cover some things. Let's start with we're gonna pose I'm gonna pose the question, should interns be paid? And honestly, if I had to be the judge or if I had to be the bearer of bad news, I'm not even gonna call it bad news, but if I had to be in charge of it, yes. Um, Basically, they're your unpaid employee. They're coming from near and far. God knows what their situation is. God knows what they actually have going on. You never really know people's situations. Um, I I actually think it's rather selfish to not pay your interns. Actually, I found out that um, when I first began medical, I went to school and got my CMA. So I am currently a nationally registered certified medical assistant. I'm currently in RN school. However, what I realized from my previous class is that 85% of my classmates were unemployed. So that means that roughly 85% of us were unpaid interns. Our externships are basically where we had to go out to an office, a doctor's office, a hospital, wherever you could find an extern site, and you had to basically learn your job. Same thing you do as an intern. Um, I chose a job at a hospital. This particular hospital was way out by the beach areas. I live way up in town. I live in Jacksonville, so I live in the Oak Cliff area, so it's pretty far. Basically, I probably say that was one of the most trying times of my life. You never really know if you're gonna have a job. You never really know, are they gonna say, well, we don't need your services anymore. You don't know if they're gonna close the intern contract. You don't really know what's gonna happen on a day-to-day basis. You're just kind of going and coming. You're kind of going and coming, and you're kind of in there flopping on a wing. You don't really know what's happening. I kind of think it's unfair to have someone come in, learn a job, probably excel beyond all of your other employees, and you still don't give them a job. It just seems to be rather selfish to me. I would hope and pray that the Department of Education could possibly see to make some changes towards that. I understand they give us loans and you get your stipends throughout school. I get that. Sometimes that's not enough to support, your living expenses, your bills, your car, your personal needs, money for yourself, and to be an intern slash extern student. That's a lot. It's just kind of not fair. So I would definitely say, if anybody could consider us because we care, and some of us we love what we do. Me, when it's time for me to get on my intern slash extern site, I would just hope and pray I can walk on a site that's going to keep me. Um, I don't want to go somewhere and give my all and then I don't end up with a job. That's it's kind of like a waste of time, don't you think? I just think it's highly inconsiderate and I just think it should really be reconsidered and this is something that should really be looked at. It's been this way for years. I totally understand that, but let's really take some time to look at the students, the people, the families involved, um, and pay your interns slash externs. We deserve the love too. Sometimes that small token of appreciation, whether it's a gas card or a lunch card, or maybe you bought your intern slash extern lunch for the day. You just never know how that could highly impact someone. What if it was you? What would you do if it were you and you knew that you needed to do this extern slash internship every day, but you just didn't have the funds to do it? Do you think your school's gonna cover it? They're not. They should, but the sad, unfortunate reality of it is that they're just not going to cover it. And I highly think it's just something that needs to be reconsidered. Um, as time progresses. We're currently going through COVID, so it's not really something that's a big issue at the moment, but who's to say things are going to change by the time it's time for us to go back on campus and go out into our extern/intern sites? It's just something that should really be reconsidered. I thank you guys for taking the time out to listen to me. I really hope this touched someone, this possibly helped someone. Um, Let me know what you think. Thumbs up. I really hope you guys take what I said and really put some thought into it, okay? See you guys later.